Welcome to Multi-Net Design in the continuation of our minor house development that we are working on. So in this tutorial we are going to continue by making uses of the roofing system to cover up the building parts. So go here and the level 2, then you go to start elevation. We need to create another level to the existing one, so that this one will complement with this. You'll be able to create another level entirely, which you are going to be systematically having a good succession to what you are doing by the roofing system. So click here and say create similar. So you click on this create similar. So click there. You can create more if you have it, so you just have it. It's not displaying because the crop region. So if you having such issue, just toggle the crop region here. So here now you've seen it within display. So you can rename it if you don't know how to do it. You can just call this one 3. Any name can be completely changed as well. So you call this one 4. So that is it. That is how you remove the whole thing in the whole process. So this one would have to delete it or hide it, and I prefer deleting because it's not my original section for now. So I'm going to delete this. Yes. So I go back to the floor plan. I mean the level 3. So at this one I want to create my roofing. So I need to underlay so that I'll be able to see what is on the so level 2 preferably. So now I'm designing this by creating a roof click and a roof by footprint. So that is what you need to create. So you select this. So what do? You pick it up from the area that is needed to rebuild. So you are not going to allow this roof to move outside except for one side that the sloping purpose will be, and that is the back. So you select this one and save. Pick it here and drop it around it. So what you do here, you align it back to inside because wall is going to go above it. So that's why it's important to understand what you are creating. So it's only the back that is going to have the slope. So select all this one, then say define slope. Then this reduce the height of this to something like 4 degrees. I think it's okay like that. So click finish. Do not attach. So see it from the side, the front elevation you have, which is this one. So you need to drag these ones up, but you are going to bring them down to some level. So the next one is that you check it from the side, which is very much important, and this time around you're going to remove this crop region so you'll be able to see what you've done and how it flows. So for me, I'm still going to reduce the slope a bit, so I'm going to use 3. So it's now coming down. Now as you have this one in place, so the next thing we need to do is to bring all these assistance to the top. So what am I doing with that? Select level 2. Level 2. Select an instance at the level 2. See in this view. So what do? You go to paste. So you say copy, then go to level 3 and you say align to the current view, which is going to be here, but that is not what we need. All the internal parts are going to be deleted because that is not what we need here. So we're done with this now. So what we do, delete all the inside. Okay, return this, drag this one, delete this one. Sorry, this one should be deleted. Then you drag this backward. from there now you create similar to move this to this junction to be of the same level with the. So here you select all this one and say delete. We are not needed all the internal that we have created. You delete them, everything one after the other. And you push this to the loading. So what you do is select all instance, that's all the window. Select all the instance in this view, then click delete, everything will be good. So they are gone. So the same thing here, delete, and the same time delete. So now you select everything. You now click on say select all instance in this view again. So this time around, go to any elevation of your choice. So what you do is that you reduce the height. So here I want to reduce the height to something that will be more suitable for me. So I'm reducing the height to 1700. Is it okay for me? I don't think I'm pleased with that. So I'm reducing it again to 1200. Delete all instance, I don't want it. So it's come to my level, so I delete this. So I think I have what I need to get here, which is the. So I put this into use, open this, then align this one inside, let it align within, and the one we have been doing for the minimum. So click finish and say don't attach. So from here now you choose this and look at it on the 3D. So this is the formation in which this took place. So you say you have issue with this, so delete the back one so that the flow of this can go down the way. So we are through with this. So let us create the temporary pattern to which we are going to work our ideas on. I want to do something here. Click here and edit. Go to level 3. So because of the opening section that I'm having, I have to close it up. So what I might do, select my pick line. So all these external parts, external factors of line should be considered and take care of. So that's what I'm doing currently. Yes, no, I'm going to delete this. So pass it. So what you do, break everything into break it and break it. So mix it up with this, mix it up with that, mix it up with this, and then place. So from there now, I think we are done with this. All we just need to do is select all this and say we don't want that slope. So continue, you trim this and say finish. The not so good. So check it 3D and you see that these places are closer. So that is it. So let me quickly play the external activities, which is what my on the level 3. I want to use this placements on the placement model in place. So model in place now, go to roof, my roof here, say roof system, click OK, roof 1. So it's not that it's going to be roof completely, but I just want to use it as a roof design. So extrusion is what I'm going to use in this level. So I want to use create pattern. I mean pick here to do that. So click and I click. So what I need to do is to draw around this one to give me the fill. So I'm going to cover that side. Yes. So what you do next, click this, trim this. So here I'm creating an opening. So you can copy this opening to or mirror it, anyone you need to choose. Just copy from here and place it here. Okay, I have the 4, which is okay for me. Click finish, then go to start elevation, adjust it a bit, go up, then adjust it again. Fine. So that is it. You can check it from 3D and see what we have created. So this is it. So the coping and every other thing that will follow with this so will come later on. So but I want to change the material here so that I have it ready for use. So edit in place, select, edit the category, so pick this and then duplicate, go to appearance and select appearance, then ceramic will be white white will be okay for me. So that is okay, and that is settled. So I have this in place, and that is it. So in this now, I've already done the roofing pattern. This one is a complete set on its own. You look around this and see that the whole things are more setting and everything. So the next tutorial, I'm going to concentrate on the elevation, finalize the split pattern, and make sure that the whole system are in the right situation. So thanks for watching. See you